Hindi ko ina-expect na galing South Korea pala talaga 'to. As a fur parent, hindi ako basta-basta nagbibigay ng kahit anong treat sa fur baby ko, lalo na kapag hindi ko kilala yung brand. Kaya nag-research muna talaga ako. That's when I found out that Natural Core is a premium pet food brand from South Korea. This is the Natural Core Probiotics Yogurt Bar. Available siya in chicken and fruity flavors with a cute ice cream on a stick design. What I also like is it contains yogurt with probiotics to help support healthy digestion and immunity. Made rin siya with real ingredients like chicken, yogurt, carrots, strawberry, and mascarpone cheese. Personally, nire-recommend ko to kasi nakita nyo naman kung gaano ka-excited yung fur baby ko, di ba? Gustong-gusto niya talaga. If your fur baby loves treats too, baka maging favorite niya din to. Available siya sa Yellow Basket if you want to try it.